Hello and welcome back. This is Fuzzee Tutorials and my name is Dave. This week's quick tip: add custom channel group. Okay, YouTubers, this one is for you. So you've either got too many featured channels or you just want to organize your featured channels into groups. I'll show you how to add another custom channel grouping module, just like the featured channels module. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first you need to get your channel brought up, which I've already done here. And then we're going to go to Customize Channel. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to add a section. And then in Content, we're going to select Custom Grouping. And then Add Channels. So we'll just come up with a name here. And we'll drop in a URL. And we'll add that. And I'm going to grab another URL. And we'll drop that one in there. And we'll add it. And we're done. And then we have to go over here and click Done again. Now I just want to quickly show you that you can also move these channels around in their order, same as you can in your featured channels. So we just go back into Edit, hit the Add Channels button there, and then we can slide them around just like you do in the featured channels. And click Done. And we got to click Done again over here. And now, if we go up and look at your Channels tab, now you can see there's our custom group. So that's it, folks. That's it for this tutorial. If you find this content useful, hit that like button. If you want to see more Fuzzee tutorials, please subscribe. If you want to know when new tutorials come out, please click that notification bell. Thanks for coming. See you next time.